In a world of ones and zeros, where the codes align, there's a language full of magic that stands the test of time. Python is its name, so simple and so bright. With its powers in your hands, you can code throughout the night. Oh, Python, you're the language of our dreams. With your syntax so clean, nothing's as it seems. From games to web, data science too, there's nothing in this world that Python can't do.